Hi everyone, Adam from Adam Flowerman. Valentine's Day is not far away, and I wanted to show you something that I'm currently working on for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is a day to be romantic and beautiful. For my bouquet, I decided to stay a little bit traditional and use mainly red roses with a splash of colour and pink. These colours to me showcase the love and passion that is associated with Valentine's Day. I usually don't reveal my flowers chosen, but I thought for my 100th video I would share something and show you the materials that I'm using. So for this bouquet I used carnations, hypericum, lisianthus, misty, roses, sprayed roses, rosahuru, which is Japanese type rose, snapdragons, zinnias and viburnum. I've been starting to build my bouquet a little bit different and using the most expensive flowers in the middle as a focal point. We want the bouquet to be eye-catching, and then from the focal we want to group similar flowers together and add texture later. This way we'll create volume and abundance. I think my bouquet is ready, and now we can just adjust the flowers once they're all tied up, reposition things and make them more appealing to the eye. This is my romantic Valentine's Day inspired bouquet. I hope this bouquet is eye-catching and cherished by all customers. I hope you enjoy our new style of videos. Please let me know what you would like to see from us in the future. Wishing everyone a happy Valentine's Day. See you, bye, see you.